Many dedicated doctors fail to crack NEET PG despite practicing MCQs. This happens because they miss one very important element of their NEET PG preparation, that is revision. While the conventional method is to spend most of the last 30 to 45 days revising, smart doctors start noting their weaknesses and revise them right from the start. If you keep going through tests and questions without even reviewing things you got wrong, your weaknesses will continue to hold you from getting into the top percentiles. The real improvement comes from understanding why you make mistakes and revising things you got wrong at regular intervals. On average, doctors who regularly revised improved by 4.7 percentile points every month relative to non-regular users, a lot higher than those who did not. Pre-PG's revision features help you regularly revise to train your brain out of the mistakes you make. Instead of a generic plan, we have customized the revision strategy for each user. Our daily revision lets you revise mistakes from the last 3 days to improve on your weak areas. Here, you will only practice questions that you got wrong at least 24 hours back to correct them based on shorter memory. With a deep revision feature, you can dedicate some time in every 2 weeks to revise questions based on all your previous attempts. While you practice, our adaptive question delivery prioritizes your mistakes and will show you questions in which you had made mistakes in the past. While practicing MCQs on pre-PG, you can add a bookmark to any question that has a useful concept or could be a point of confusion for you. With bookmarks revision, you can go back to these MCQs and regularly practice the bookmarks of the subjects you are studying. Utilizing these 3 revision features on pre-PG will ensure that you eliminate your past mistakes and confirm your PG seat in your college.